We don't know what's in here. And we're just gonna try to scoop something up. Oh, huge! Oh, be careful, guys. Oh my gosh! Oh! Well, hello, Parker Whale. How you doing? What up, Slayers? We're back at it with another Slay Adventure, and today we're gonna go ahead and have some fun with Mr. Parker Dumpling. Yes, the Parker Dumpling. Now, what's really cool about all this right here is that we have a lot of space. This is a lot of poop since he decided to go ahead and be evil and eat some of our mines that were cycling this tank. But it's okay. It's not a problem because we have more space. And with more space equals more fish. So what we're gonna go ahead and do today is stop by one of the subscribers' place down in Miami. He says he has a lot of gifts for us. So let's go ahead and see what exactly he's willing to gift the Slayers in this beautiful pond. Hopefully they're not more Paku, please. Everyone likes to give away Paku and I don't want any more Paku. But if they're Paku, we'll go ahead and take them. All right, Slayers, so I'm here with Ray, and Ray hit me up and he says we have a little situation here. We need to go ahead and rescue these fish. If you look back here, this is not algae. This is all duckweed. All duckweed. And the thing is, he's going to school and he's not able to really be here that often to take care of all of these fish. So he went ahead, hit me up, get in here, bro. He hit me up and he told me, hey, bro, you want to go ahead and pick up some fish? So what exactly are we taking from you today, bro?
Oh, the 4 Pakus.
There's 4 Paku in here.
Yeah.
And here, there's 4 Paku.
Yeah, in here.
Okay, what else is in here?
Like 2 red tails, 1 hybrid.
I saw the hybrid.
And like 2 Oscars.
Well, right now we can't see anything because, as you can see, it's covered in duckweed. Like, come close, check it out. This is all duckweed. And you can't see a thing at all. At all whatsoever. So,
Take it all out.
oh, okay.
Okay.
So guys, this is all we got to get all this duckweed. So we gotta scoop and scoop all of this duckweed. Look at all the duckweed that's in here. Oh, now you're being able to see the fish. That's the really cool part. What are we gonna do with this duckweed, Ray?
You could have it, man.
I don't want this. I like clear ponds. I mean, this is awesome. It makes it super clear, but look how much duckweed's in here, dude. Do you see that? All right, guys, so we're all filled up. We're gonna have a little mission on our hands. So there's other fish in here, right, Ray?
Yeah.
What do you have so I know? You said there's a koi, 2 red tails, a hybrid, 4 Paku, 2 albino Pakus, and there's a lot of fish. We gotta be careful to make sure the fish are not injured at all during this transport process. Put them in the coolers and put back the fish that don't belong, because I can't see. Like, guys, you saw how much, come over here for a second. This is all the duckweed we took out. It's so thick. It's a patty. You heard that? That's really gross, actually. So, it's 3 feet deep, and we don't know what's in here. Everything's starting to get a little spooked, and we're just gonna try to scoop something up. Oh! I don't think I got anything here. Oh, got an Oscar. Got one of the Oscar. Guys, come close, check it out. Got one of the, oh my gosh. All right. All right, buddy. We're just gonna release that Oscar. If you guys can see him, look how orange he is. I don't wanna pick him up and have him in the net for too long. See you later. We got that one out. Time to go ahead and actually look for what we're looking for. Oh, something's here. There's a koi in there?
Yeah.
All right, I got something in this. Oh my God, I got everything. I got too much stuff.
So,
We have a red tail, and we have Paku. Do we have the Pakus we need? No. Oh, the Oscar. No, what is that, a Paku? What is this? Oh my God, they're Paku. All right, we're gonna go ahead and release those real quick. Time to extend. I'm ready now. Nothing can escape Joe Islam. Turned it around. Oh!
you want to see it?
We got Paku inside the net right now.
Fine, yeah.
Albinos, but not the ones we need. Let's see. What do we have in here? Red tail, regular Oscar. Oh my gosh. Ray, you gotta give me a hand here to get this thing out. To get this guy out. Check this out. Look at this Paku, guys. Look at that. Beautiful albino Paku. See you later. Oh, here we have the red tail. So we're gonna get the red tail real quick. Plop the red tail in. There's something else in here? Oh, there's an Oscar. Here, come check this out, guys. Look at this. Where you at? He's right here. Actually, he might just fly out. There's the Oscar. That's so pretty. See you later. Oh, oh! Are you out? There you go. We still haven't caught a single thing. Are you guys good? I know you guys might be getting wet, but we're good. Okay, we can do this. Come on. There they are to this side. Pacu might jump out. Nope. I just don't want him to jump out of the pond and onto the pavement. I just don't want to scoop everything up. See the red tail? The core's in here? Oh, I got one of the big pacu now though. Oh my gosh! Okay, we gotta be careful and hurry up and get everything out. Pacu are pretty big. Check this out. Oh, the pacu's huge! Oh, be careful, guys! Oh my gosh! It's getting crazy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the Oscar out. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Here's the Oscar out. Oh, easy. Look at this pacu, guys. This pacu is actually a lot bigger than I thought. Look at that. Okay. Exactly. You gotta be careful. Get the lid for me, Ray. Get the lid. Actually, I got it. He's nice and subtle. You're good, buddy.
He's drunk so much.
She's so happy. This is the first time. He's got everything like 3 inches big. So now to see him full grown, he's having a good time. Let's go ahead and check out on this koi real quick. Now you caught this koi?
Yeah.
Where? In your lake?
Yeah.
No way. Look at the koi, guys. See you later. Would love to show you all the fish, but we got to make sure that we get all the fish safe home, as well as make sure we don't hurt these fish here. Guys, this is gonna be crazy. We have 3 more pacu to go. So this side in the corner right here. Let's see if we cause any issues. Come home. Any Juan? No one's there. All right, time to go ahead and stir this green soup like a witch. Come on. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Come on. We got something?
Yeah, you got one.
We got one? What do we got? One of the pacu? Oh yeah, we got one of the pacu. Okay. Ooh, are you guys okay? My bad, my bad. Check it out. We had a little camera difficulties, but we got another one. We have 2. Hey, wake up. Wake up. You're okay. They're just very stressed. They do that a lot. As you guys saw in a previous video with the bigger pacu, he was like really stressed because he just wasn't happy. So we gotta hurry up, get these guys on aeration very soon. Come on. Woo. Let's go. We got what? 2 more, bro?
Yeah, 2 more.
All right, 2 more. Let's see what's gonna happen. Where are they? We're looking for the wakes of the bigger pacu. Oh, that's an albino. Gotta shake it. It's going this way. The albino got in here. So we gotta let this albino go. Come on. Got the koi again. I think I got one. All right, let's see. Oh! Oh my God. No. That's what I was afraid of. You guys stay right here, Ray. Oh my gosh. We're good though. He got back in as fast as possible. Right when I went ahead and picked up the net. All right, Goldie. We'll let you out. There you go. Dude, I experienced that with catching moss pacu. Hit me right in the chest. Whew, that spooked me. You got one? All right, last time we said you think we got one, it flew out. What we got? All right, we got one. Oh, we got the hybrid too. All right, we gotta be careful about taking the hybrid out. We're gonna get this pacu real quick so it doesn't beat up the hybrid. Ray, you got me with the cooler? All right, actually we have the other cooler. Just make sure you put the lid on it.
You should put the air on the other one.
Yeah, we're gonna put the air on him right now. All right, here you go. Nice. Put the lid on it. 1 more to go. Just gotta make sure this hybrid's nice and safe. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that little face. Hello, baby. Alrighty, flop in. See you later. All right, you got this.
Yeah.
You ready? Slayer's ready. 1 more. It's been a mission. Here we go. Little pacu. Got anything? Yeah, we got him. Hopefully, I think this is the one that jumped out. For sure. Here, we'll close this up real quick. Nice and short. Since he's the only one in here, we're gonna play it safe. Let's do this. Oh, easy, easy, easy.
Yeah, I was working.
Easy. All right. You got me with the other cooler, Ray? Let's just pick this guy up real quick. Put him right here. He's just gonna plop in really safely and happy. You know? Nice. Sweet! We did it! We got all 4! Pound it right there.